The Airbus A380, once touted as the future of aviation, faced an uncertain fate as airlines moved towards more fuel-efficient, smaller aircraft. However, its remarkable comeback has sent ripples throughout the aviation industry. This essay explores the resurgence of the A380, its impact on competitors like Boeing, and the consequent effects on the aviation market. The Airbus A380's comeback story is a testament to its enduring appeal. Designed as a double-decker, wide-body, four-engine jet airliner, the A380 was the world's largest passenger airliner. Its initial phase was marked by enthusiasm, but high operational costs and shifting market dynamics led to a decline in interest. However, recent years have seen a resurgence in demand for the A380, driven by factors such as increased passenger traffic and airlines' desire for high-capacity aircraft. The renewed interest in the A380 has significantly impacted other aircraft manufacturers, particularly Boeing. Boeing's 747, a direct competitor to the A380, has seen its market share impacted. The rivalry between the Airbus A380 and Boeing's models, such as the 787 Dreamliner and 777X, has intensified, with each manufacturer striving to improve fuel efficiency, passenger comfort, and operational cost-effectiveness. The A380's comeback has also influenced the development and popularity of other plane models. Manufacturers are increasingly focusing on large-capacity aircraft to meet the demand created by the A380. Models like the Boeing 777 and Airbus A350 have been forced to evolve, enhancing their features to compete in a market increasingly dominated by the A380. The economic implications of the A380's resurgence are profound. Airlines are reconsidering their fleet compositions, with some opting to reintroduce the A380 to their fleets. This shift has ramifications for the entire supply chain, from aircraft manufacturers to component suppliers. The focus has also shifted to upgrading airports to accommodate the A380's size and passenger volume, necessitating significant infrastructure investments. The environmental aspect is a critical factor in the aviation industry's future. The Airbus A380, despite its size, has made strides in becoming more fuel efficient. However, it still faces scrutiny over its environmental impact compared to smaller, more efficient aircraft. This ongoing challenge propels manufacturers to innovate in areas such as alternative fuels and more efficient engines. The Airbus A380's design is a marvel in aviation engineering. It was built to accommodate up to 853 passengers in a single-class configuration, showcasing Airbus's commitment to revolutionizing air travel with scale and luxury. Its spacious cabins, quieter interiors, and the ability to customize layouts for luxury suites, bars, and lounges set it apart from other aircraft. The A380's design not only redefined passenger comfort, but also represented a significant technological leap in aviation. Despite its impressive design, the Airbus A380 faced operational challenges. Its size required airports to upgrade facilities, and its operational costs were high due to fuel consumption and maintenance requirements. However, Airbus's commitment to improving the A380's efficiency through aerodynamic refinements and engine upgrades has made it more appealing to airlines focused on high-volume international routes. Boeing, Airbus's main competitor, responded to the A380's resurgence with strategic adjustment. The development of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the enhancement of the 777X are direct responses to the market's demand for large-capacity, fuel-efficient aircraft. Other manufacturers like Embraer and Bombardier also adjusted their strategies, focusing on niche markets and regional air travel, thereby avoiding direct competition with giants like the A380. The A380's comeback has influenced airline strategies globally. Airlines that had previously retired or sidelined their A380 fleets, like Emirates and Singapore Airlines, are reintroducing them, capitalizing on their popularity and capacity for long-haul routes. The A380's role in airline fleet strategies highlights a broader trend in the industry, balancing efficiency with capacity to meet varying market demands. The COVID-19 pandemic reshaped the aviation industry, leading to a temporary decline in air travel. However, the A380's resurgence post-pandemic is indicative of the industry's recovery and the changing preferences of passengers. The demand for more spacious and comfortable air travel in the post-pandemic era has played a significant role in the A380's renewed popularity. Airbus's focus on making the A380 more sustainable reflects the broader industry trend towards environmentally friendly aviation. Innovations in aircraft design, engine efficiency, and the exploration of sustainable aviation fuels are part part of Airbus's strategy to make the A380 a more eco-friendly option. This shift is crucial as the industry faces increasing pressure to reduce its carbon footprint. The A380's comeback has a ripple effect on the global economy. It influences job markets in aviation manufacturing, airport construction, and service industries. The economic benefits of the A380 extend beyond airlines, impacting tourism, international trade, and global connectivity. The A380 has significantly influenced international air travel. Its capacity for long-haul flights has made it a preferred choice for airlines operating on major international routes. This has led to increased connectivity between major global cities, reducing travel times and increasing frequency. The A380 has enabled airlines to consolidate flights, leading to more efficient operations and potentially lower ticket prices for passengers. The A380 has been a pioneer in enhancing the cabin experience for passengers. Its spacious design allows for features like onboard lounges, private suites, and shower facilities in first class. Economy class passengers also benefit from more space and comfort compared to other aircraft. These advancements have set new standards in passenger comfort, influencing competitors to upgrade their cabin experiences. While the A380 has dominated long-haul, high-volume routes, its impact has also been felt in secondary markets and regional aviation. Airlines using the A380 on primary routes have shifted smaller aircraft to secondary routes, improving connectivity and frequency. This has had a cascading effect on regional aviation, fostering growth and development in smaller airports and cities. The financial implications of operating the Airbus A380 are significant. The aircraft's high initial cost and operational expenses have been offset by its capacity and efficiency on high-density routes. Airlines that have strategically integrated the A380 into their fleets have seen financial benefits. However, for some airlines, the high costs have led to reconsideration and adjustments in their fleet strategies. The Airbus A380's size and passenger volume have necessitated upgrades in airport infrastructure. Larger gates, stronger runways, and enhanced baggage handling systems are some of the requirements to accommodate the A380. These investments have not only benefited the A380, but have also improved overall airport efficiency and capacity, benefiting other large aircraft and airlines. The A380's comeback has fostered both competition and collaboration in the aviation industry. While it has intensified competition among aircraft manufacturers, it has also led to collaborations. Airlines, airports, and manufacturers are working together to improve efficiency, sustainability, and passenger experience, driven by the standards set by the Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 has had a broader impact on global tourism and mobility. By connecting major global cities and offering increased capacity, the A380 has facilitated the growth of international tourism, business travel, and cultural exchange. Its role in enhancing global mobility has been significant, contributing to economic growth and international understanding. The A380's resurgence has implications for the future of air travel. It challenges the industry's move towards smaller aircraft and highlights the ongoing demand for large, high-capacity planes. The A380's role in shaping air travel, from the economics of airlines to the experience of passengers, remains a critical area of interest and development. The Airbus A380's role in shaping aviation continues to evolve. Its impact on airport infrastructure, global tourism, and international air travel underscores its significance. The ongoing developments in aviation technology, sustainability, and market dynamics will determine the A380's trajectory and its legacy in the aviation industry. The Airbus A380's comeback story is more than a tale of an aircraft's resurgence. It's a narrative about innovation, market dynamics, and the future of air travel. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, the A380 stands as a symbol of ambition and adaptation, influencing competitors, markets, and the global economy. Its journey is a testament to the ever-changing landscape of aviation, where challenges are met with innovation, and the sky is truly the limit. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.